Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TR4755i or 4700 series. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network with mobile phone and computer. What you need to do is you need to go to the control panel and select setup button. Once, it will show you setup mode, Wi-Fi setup, then you select OK. Wi-Fi setup, easy Wi-Fi connect, then you select OK. Processing. Follow the instruction on the PC or smartphone, etc. The next thing to do is, depending on the device you want to use, I want us to connect it with mobile phone, then add it to computer. Go to Play Store and search and install Canon Print app. Select Canon Print app. Install Canon Print app on your mobile phone, then open the app. This is the app. Then you select search for printer, search. Please wait momentarily. Is your printer listed below? Then it will show you when the printer is dictated. On the next screen, tap the button to connect. Then you select next. So the printer is found. Canon IJ80158/TR4700 series. Select connect. Connected and processing. So it's going to search for available network within the environment. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router SSID. Then you select yes. Communicating with the printer. This may take 150 seconds. So the printer is actually connected. If you go to the control panel, you see that the printer is connected. Then you select OK. Easy wireless connect, select OK, it's connected. But you need to wait for the process to complete on the mobile phone. Then close this. The printer is connected. This is the printer. So from here, you can print documents, you can scan documents, you can do so many things. The ink is running low. This is the reason why it's showing us check the printer. So this is the ink level. If you want to print documents, for example, just to confirm that the printer is connected, then select document prints. Then select documents. Then select the document you want to print out from the list. Select the document. So the document is attached. This is one-page document. Then select next. Then select change settings. Select number of copies. Select the size as A4. Simplest and color. You want to print it in color. Then you go back. Then select print. So the document is printing. It will show you printing is completed. Printing is completed. Then you select OK. Can go back to the home page. This is the document we printed out from mobile phone. If you want to add this printer to your computer, the next thing to do is go to your laptop start, go to the laptop settings, select the laptop settings, then select printers and scanners, add a device. Select add a device. It will show you printer available, TR4755 series, multifunction printer, inkjet printer, scanner, and fast. Select add. So it's connecting, installing. So installing the device, you need to wait and it will show you ready. So the printer is ready. TR4755 series, fast, ready. If you want to print a test page to confirm, then you select print test page. Select print test page. This is the printer. Will show you the date. You have correctly installed your Canon printer TR4000 series on laptop. Date, data format raw, port name WSD, Windows x64. If you connect the printer with a USB cable, the port name it will show you USB. But once you connect it via wireless network, it show you WSD. And if you want to scan documents from the computer, you can select scanner settings, then select scanner property, and make sure you can see the printer. So the printer is available, TR4000 series. If it's not available, then you need to refresh it. Then close this, select open scanner. So this is Windows scanner. Scroll down and select the scanner, Canon TR4000 series, fast. Then you put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner, face down, close the cover. Then you select the source, flatbed, file type PDF, show more. We want to select resolution 300 dpi, and also we want to save the file in the document section. Then you select scan. So this document is scanning. While the scan is also going ahead, you can also select scan from the app on the mobile phone. So the document is scanned, select view. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, you select print icon on top. This is the document. To print it out, select print icon, or you select Ctrl P from the laptop to print the document out. But we already printed a test page, so I'm not going to print this out, but you can select print document for you to print it out. Another thing I want to show you is how to add this using Canon Print app. So go to Windows Start, then select Microsoft Store. Search Canon Print app on the top. Canon Print app. Install the app to your computer and open it up. Once you open it up, you wait. The printer will show, and the printer is online. Canon TR4755 series online. It will show you the ink level from this print document, print photo, scan document, and do so many things from Canon Print app. If the printer is not available, you select add a printer. It will search for the printer and download the necessary software to add the printer. So these are the ways to add this printer. Another method is the full setup guide, which you need to go to Canon website in your region, search for the printer, or go to Canon IGA setup and search for the printer, but it's a long process. So this is an easy way to add this printer to your computer. Thank you very much indeed.